Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Holmes Island to Sandy Point in Maryland.
Let me see if the
Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland.
Let me go see if the 260 went off.
North of Fools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland.
Looks like I'm bringing my HH with me.
Eastern Bay, Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor.
Yes, got off.
At 4:45 p.m., a gust truck was located along a line extending.
PDS? It's PDS! Holy shit! It's PDS! And it's gonna be a doubleheader. It's PDS.
Impact. Motors and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations and tactics include Chop Tank River, Kent Narrows Bridge, North Point State Park, Magnuson River, Eastern Bay, Dobbins Island, Blackgownet Point, Pools Island, Greenberry Point, Highland Beach, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Northeast River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Calvert Cliffs, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, and Pinehurst. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Sudden onset of gale force winds can cause even experienced mariners to capsize.
It just said this is a part.
In cold water is
What?
and can quickly cause hypothermia. Move to safe
It's gonna be a doubleheader.
Gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Doubleheader.
Here is the regional weather
Okay, no.
forecast.
You heard that?
Philadelphia metropolitan area tonight mostly clear. Cold will blow
PDS.
for 20